Today I'm going to show you how to do a self-closing mock ring. What a self-closing mock ring is, it is a chain that you're going to turn into a ring. Needle tatters, you all do this every time you make a ring, unless you're doing a true ring. So, on that note, I'm going to show shuttle tatters how to do a self-closing mock ring. And usually, it consists of continuous thread method. That means you have continuous thread running from the ball, okay, the second shuttle, a bobbin of thread, okay, as long as it's continuous. There's no knot, okay? So, on that note, let's get set up. First thing we're going to do, all right, is we're going to loop thread around our finger with our shuttle, okay, because later this loop's going to come in handy. You see how I've got that loop on my finger and I've pulled it up to the pinch. Now shuttle 2 or the bobbin or a ball of thread will wrap around your hand and hook on the same place your loop's on your pinky finger, okay? Now what you're going to do is tat like normal, okay? So what we're going to do is put 6 picot 6 in here, all right, because it's going to be 6 double stitches with a picot and 6 more, okay? So that's 3, some thread off here, 4, 5, 6, okay, we're going to put in our picot right there, close it up, and we put 5 more double stitches in. Okay, there we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops, still need 1 more. And 6. Alright, we have 6 double stitches, our picot, and 6 more. Now, on our hand, we have our second shuttle thread, and we have this little loop. This is where the loop comes in handy, folks. What we're going to do is take our shuttle 1 and run it through that loop. Okay, pull it off our finger once we run it through the loop. Grab our ring and start pulling. And we're going to close this ring. And as you can see, that loop is getting smaller and smaller. And what you have just done is created a self-closing mock ring. And it started off as a chain. The loop around the finger, okay, is got to be there. You have to put the loop there. If you don't put the loop there, you're not going to get a self-closing mock ring. Okay? Now if we were going to do another ring right beside it, okay, it could be done. You can continue on and finish the pattern and move on. Most people do a self-closing mock ring to get started. They'll on a pattern, or they'll use it to start a split chain, or split ring chain is what I was trying to say, and only split chain came out. Sometimes my brain moves faster than my mouth. But like I said, you have to have the loop around your finger, okay, get that out of the way, and your other thread that's coming off the ball has to be wrapped just like you're making a chain. Alright, so don't forget your loop. But that is how you do self-closing mock ring. Alright, now I'm going to finish this up by the last little lesson in the last part of the class before you go into the ongoing class. The last thing that I need to discuss is two-color tatting. Guess what? You've been doing two-color tatting all through the class. Two-color tatting is using 2 colors of thread, okay, to do your work. That's all two-color tatting is. Okay, so now that that explains it and that you've got your aha moment, I hope you've enjoyed the classes. I hope you return to the classes because you have so much more to learn. And if you can get the basics down and know them by heart, the rest is going to be so easy to do. Okay, so until next time, happy tatting. Thank you for being in the class, and thank you for watching the videos. Have a great day.